Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a major gap in modern software development. Right now, developers can ship features incredibly fast using AI coding tools. What used to take days can now be built in minutes. But there's a serious bottleneck that hasn't improved at the same pace: testing. Quality assurance teams are still dealing with heavy test maintenance, multiple automation frameworks, and constant UI changes that break existing scripts. It's becoming harder to keep up. In this video, we're exploring a tool called Kane AI by TestMu AI, formerly LambdaTest, an AI-powered testing assistant that can create and execute full end-to-end test workflows just from simple instructions. What is Kane AI? Kane AI by TestMu AI, formerly LambdaTest, is a next-generation AI-native testing platform built for developers and QA teams. Instead of manually writing long automation scripts, you simply describe what you want to test, and the system generates structured test flows automatically. It can understand multiple inputs such as plain English instructions, test plans, Jira tickets, PDFs, spreadsheets. From all of this, it builds complete automated testing scenarios and workflows. It's designed for large-scale enterprise use and works across different programming languages and testing frameworks, making complex QA processes much more manageable. Demo overview. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample online bookstore application. It's a safe test environment where users can browse products, search for books, and manage a shopping cart. To make things more realistic, I also prepared a simple QA document that outlines the main user journeys. We'll upload this into Kane AI and let it generate test cases automatically. Now, the workspace is ready for generating test scenarios. Kane AI offers two main options: manual mode, where you define steps yourself, AI generation mode, where the system builds everything from your input. For this demo, I chose the AI generation option. I upload the bookstore QA document and submit it. The system immediately starts analyzing the file, identifying user flows, breaking down requirements, and converting them into structured test scenarios. This is usually the part QA engineers spend hours doing manually. Reviewing generated scenarios. Once processing is complete, Kane AI presents the generated test cases. They are organized into logical sections such as browsing the catalog, searching for books, adding items to cart login, and authentication flows. Each category contains multiple detailed test cases. Before execution, we can review everything, modify steps, or remove anything unnecessary. This ensures full transparency and control for QA teams. Everything looks solid, so we move forward. Running the tests next, I select Create and Run Automation, then enter the target website URL. After that, I choose how many parallel test agents I want to run. Each agent operates in a separate browser session, allowing multiple test cases to execute at the same time. Once started, Kane AI begins running the full test suite automatically. We can even open live sessions and watch the execution in real time. It opens the website, navigates through pages, searches for products, adds items to the cart, validates expected behavior. Instead of fixed scripts, these are dynamically generated actions based on intent, results, and reporting. After execution completes, results appear inside the test dashboard. All scenarios are grouped within the project structure, making it easy to review outcomes for each test case. If any issue is detected, Kane AI automatically flags the failure, captures screenshots, logs detailed context for debugging. It can even send bug reports directly to tools like Jira, making the transition from testing to issue tracking much faster. Kane AI represents a new direction for QA automation. Instead of writing and maintaining heavy test scripts, teams can simply define their intent and let AI generate structured testing flows. Human review is still important, but the workload is significantly reduced. allowing teams to focus more on quality and less on repetitive setup. As development speeds continue to increase with AI tools, testing also needs to evolve. Platforms like Kane AI aim to close that gap between fast development and reliable quality assurance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.